Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, yun ang ating titingnan. Okay, pero yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay? And yeah, pagdating sa ating mga items, they're all available. Okay, yung protection sa Evil Eye, yeah. Ring, this is adjustable ha, yung ating ring. Ganyan siya. And yung ating necklace. Okay. So, si necklace, this is unisex. Yeah, yun yung pendant niya. As you can see, there's this blue stone at the center. And yung ating, ito yung tawag ito, garterize na evil eye protection. And yung adjustable. This is available in red strings. Okay. So, lahat sila ay unisex. Pagdating sa mga connection, si love bracelet. Okay? So, if you're single, kung ikaw itong may mga hindi magandang connection, so, ito yung ating gamot. Ha? Oo. Gamot. Oo. Pagdating dyan. And, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter yung taga-grant. Okay? Hindi ko naman sinabing i-grant niya lahat ng gusto mo, no? Napaka-OA nun. So, si granter, ang ginagrant niya is yung malapit na frequency. Okay? Na pwede sa'yo. Ganun siya. So, kung sa tingin niya, pwede naman na yung minamanifest mo, then hindi ka para paghintayin ito. So, meaning to say, kung ikaw, meron kang minamanifest at hindi dumadating, ibig sabihin, hindi pa yun para sa'yo. Okay? Hindi tayo, ang tawag dyan, parang too good to be true. Okay? Para sabihin na ay ganito lahat pwede. No. That's BS. Okay? So, kung meron kang ganito, samahan mo nung iyong evil eye. Kung meron kang available na evil eye dyan. Okay? Kasi, kailangan mong protektahan yung energy mo. Baka kasi mamaya, sinasabotahe ka, kaya bumababa yung frequency mo. Tapos, nagmamanifest ka ng mataas. So, paano kayo magsasalubong? Diba? Hindi pwede. So, kailangan protektahan yung energy mo. Sana nagets nyo. Ganon din dito ha. Kay love bracelet. Okay? Kasi nagmamanifest tayo dito. Gamit to. At ito rin. Okay? So, again, pagdating sa cord cutting, so, ito yung pagtatanggal naman ng mga hindi na kailangang energies. Okay? Na nakadikit pa rin sa'yo. Kaya, sabihin natin parang pagpabagal, nakakabigat sa mga sitwasyon. So, there. Kung may iba pang tanong, message na lang po. Okay? So, let's start the reading. Air signs. Air signs muna. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, meron pa rin tayong ubo. Pagpasensyahan na po kung kayo mauubo bigla. Unahan ko na. And again pala, yung dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yeah. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you. Agad-agad. Okay, so let's see what's for you, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Placements. Okay, the Six of Wands inversed. Agad. Ano meron? The Three of Wands. Some of you, meron kayong gagawing desisyon na parang sa tingin ng iba is pagiging makasarili. Okay? The Five of Pentacles. So, tingin ko, pwedeng about sa pananalapi. Opo. May mga naiinggit, may mga magagalit. So, sinasabi dito na pwedeng set aside mo muna yung emosyon mo kasi kailangan. Okay? What else? Hermit. Death. Isolation. Cutting off. Some of you, ikaw itong parang mas pipiliin mong nasa bahay lang, or ikaw itong parang mas pipiliin mong single ka pa, or single ka lang. Bakit? Or pinapayuhan ka na parang magstay single ka muna ngayon. May kailangan ka munang baguhin sa sarili mo. Parang ganun eh. You're the Queen of Swords in reverse. You're not ready. Your energy is not ready. So, kailangan mo maging ready if ever. Kung sa tingin mo, kailangan mong i-isolate, i-avoid yung sarili mo sa mga connection na sa tingin mo makaka-apekto pa sa'yo. Some of you are not healed. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang sumabak ulit. Parang sasabak sa gera na parang sugatan pa rin. No? Hindi mo kailangan yon. Okay? So, kailangan mo mag-hibernate. Magpahinga. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Meaning to say, oops, step back muna tayo. Okay? Some of you nakikita ko na parang may mga mag-aaral. May mga magre-review. Kasi kailangan iwas-iwas muna sa mga kung ano man na side hustle ba, kung ano man, na wala namang masyadong importansya. Parang ganon. Kailangan mong may paghandaan eh. I don't know kung ano yan. Patungkol sa pagbabago. Okay? Some of you, this is talking about exams, tests. The Magician in reverse. Nay! Sabi na. Ayan na ang evil eye. Ten of Wands in reverse. Yeah, the Star in reverse. Page of Swords, evil eye. Yun ang evil eye. Okay? Ang sasama pa ng tingin ng mga to. Hindi lang nagsasabi ng hindi maganda, kundi sama pa ng tingin. The Four of Cups in reverse. Inggit. Dala ng inggit. Meron kayong mga mensaheng hindi pa nare-replyan, mga air sign, and this is important. I don't know kung ano yun. Hindi yun para sa lahat at specific. Some of you, meron kayong mga messages na kailangan yung replyan. Yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse. Para may ma-fix kung ano man to. I'm hearing then due dates. Okay, due dates. So there. So next, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So what's for you, fire signs? Oops. Fire signs. Okay, the Hermit again. The Magician in reverse. Some of you might be dealing with a Virgo. This is a big Virgo placement. They're watching you. They're trying to ignore you. Umi-effort to. Umi-effort. Some of you, you're doing the wrong way of manifesting. Kaya hindi mo makuha yung minamanifest mo. I don't know why. The Hanged Man in reverse. Some of you, meron kayong mga kailangang i-surrender. Okay? And let universe do the work. Parang ganon. Okay? So, what else? Six of Wands, universe. Pare-pareho ang inyong energy. Nakuha rin ito ni air sign. Some of you might be dealing with an air sign. Seven of Swords. In reversed. May madudulas. Page of Swords. May madudulas, kaya may malalaman. I don't know kung ano yun. Kasi maganto. So, kaya yung isa may malalaman. I don't know, baka ikaw. Ito yung parang hindi mo kailangang malaman pero sa sobrang kadaldalan niya, malalaman mo. Yeah, see, the Ace of Swords. The katotohanan. Pero nagkakaroon ka ng doubt. Like, talaga? Parang ganon. Okay? May malalaman ka. I don't know. Yeah, this is secret. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. This is secret. Pwedeng malalaman mo kung ano man to. I don't know kung anong binabanggit dito. The Devil. Somebody's true intention maybe. Or emotion, I think. Or kung ano man. Na kailangan. So, siguro, kailangan mong malaman yun. So, universe will, make its own way. Oo. Para malaman mo. Ganun yun. Yeah. So, what else for you, fire signs? Ace of Cups. Some of you, yung energy mo, lalo na kung ikaw itong parang ina-avoid mo yung love or parang wala kang pakialam sa love. Yeah, there's this coming an offer. Okay? A new love interest maybe. The Ace of Cups. What's with this? Ace of Cups. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. This is somebody na pwedeng talagang gugustuhin ka. Pero nandun yung energy na parang wala akong pakialam. Parang ganun. I don't care. Yeah. Ganun naman talaga, no? Every time na hindi na hindi mo kailangan yung isang bagay na dun lumalabas. Kapag hinahanap mo, hindi lalabas. Di po ba? Naranasan nyo yun? Kapag kunyari, yung nail cutter, hahanapin nyo. Ba yan, kailangan ko na magupit ng kuko. Saan ko naman nailagay. Tapos kapag hindi mo na kailangan, tsaka ako makikita. Kasi nakaranas nun. Diba? Ganun eh. I don't know. So, yeah, some of you, there's this new love interest coming in. A new love offer, maybe. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. Wow. May magandang patutunguhan to if ever magiging open ka dito. Kung magiging open ka, may magandang patutunguhan. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, you're healed. That is why. You're healed. And yeah, the frequency, the vibration is ready. The energy. Okay, hang on. Sandali lang po. Okay. So, next. Water signs. Okay. So, water signs. What's for you? Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Basahin ko lang to. Sandali. Mayroong message. O, diba? Somebody is sabihin natin talagang umi-effort kasi gustong kalimutan ka. Or pwedeng ikaw to. Yeah. Eto, meron akong tawag dito. Channeled message. Pansinin nyo. Okay? Hindi to para sa lahat. Pero pansinin nyo, kapag meron kayong anak na parang todo gawa sa bahay, meron niyang ipapaalam sa inyo. May ipapaalam yan. That's channeled. Pwedeng, alis kami mamaya. Pwede ba ako umalis mamaya? Parang ganon. Mamayang gabi. Yeah. Tapos ma-upset kasi hindi mo papayagan. So, okay. That's for you. The 3 of Cups in reversed. 7 of Pentacles in reversed. Merong hindi matutuloy na lakad. 4 of Wands. So, sabihin natin kung hindi man matuloy yung lakad, sabihin natin parang sa bahay na lang. Ay, wag na tayong umalis. Dito lang tayo sa bahay. Parang ganun. Yeah. Yung time waster, diba? Sabay ganun. Oo, may time waster dito. Yung person na parang sa tingin mo hindi kayo magkatagpo. They want reconciliation. They want relationship with you again. Okay? Yeah, the world universe. Unfinished business. What else? May mas pipiliin pang pumirmi sa bahay kaysa lumarga kasi parang gastos lang. Oo, parang ganun. Again, the world in reverse. What's with that? Some of you, this is delay, spendings. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Sa mga plano. Procrastinations. Some of you, this is talking about love. You're not maybe ready. Okay, the energy mo pagdating sa love is not yet ready. Yeah, the Magician. I don't know, pwedeng may darating. Or maybe, nire-ready mo lang yung sarili mo. The Wheel of Fortune is here in reverse. So, I think, you have to heal. Yeah, I'm not ready. Sabihin natin parang, sabihin natin parang, ayoko. Parang ganun, ayoko muna ng relasyon. Oo. So, kapag gumaganon yung iba sa atin, mas dumadating. The Magician. Yeah. What else? What else? Some of you, mas focus mo ang stability mo, career, ano man. Knight of Pentacles. In reverse, some of you have to, watch your spending. Yeah, siguro nga. Ay, nag-flip. King of Wands. Managing your finances. You have to manage. You have to be ready financially. Okay? What's with this? Some of you, may chance ng workload. Chance ng workload. Hindi, may nakikita akong workload. Daming gawain. Eight of Cups. So, sabihin natin, leveling up. Okay? Parang meron na nagkukulang dito pagdating sa bahay. Excuse me. Kasi puro trabaho. Puro trabaho. Page of Cups. Meron nang nangangailangan dito, naghihintay sa'yo, parang ganan. Somebody's planning, or maybe some of you have to magkaroon ng magandang schedule. Okay? Meron ditong tatanggap ng biglaang OT, super OT. Kung may OT ka na, so super OT pa. Parang may ganan eh. Workplace. Okay? So, there. So, may chance ng ano ba yan? Ba't ganyan? Meron tayong schedule after that dapat. Pero, tinanggap mo pa rin yung OT whatsoever. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What's for you? Earth signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth sign strength. That's having focus. Being focused. Saan? The Three of Swords universe. On your healing. Some of you on your healing. Okay? Somebody wants to make amends. The Nine of Cups universe. Yeah, this is healing. Ace of Cups universe. Focus on your healing first. Okay? Focus on your healing. Parang may nakakagulo. That's why. What else? Meron ditong gustong kumonek sa'yo. Could be a water sign, Leo, air. Could be any sign. There's two. There's two people here. Anyway. The Queen of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Sasagip ka na naman. Ano tong Ace of Pentacles na to na naka-reversed? Some of you, sana patungkol na lang to sa sarili mo. Gastos. Pagdating sa sarili. Yeah, the Star. May improvement na gagawin, some of you, pagdating sa sarili. And, sabihin nating makaka-attract. Ito. Okay? Some of you, this is like, sabihin nating parang talagang may paggastos. Okay? May paggastos. Part of your healing process rin naman, I think. Okay? What else? Ang nakikita ko dito, some of you, this is like, yung wini-wish mong hairstyle, hair color, I don't know, parang may ganun. Talagang magpapasalon, whether babae, lalaki, punta ka sa, yeah, okay? Something, pagdating sa sarili mo. Ikaw naman ang gender mo. Pagdating sa sarili, meron kang pwedeng pagkagastusan. Queen of Swords in reversed. What's that? King of Swords in reversed. Some of you, you're in a situation na parang mayroong legal issue. There's this arguments. Four of Wands, the Tower. Arguments with your kapareha. I'm seeing here na parang may isang connection na parang inaanay na ang mga pundasyon. With the moon in reverse. This is so lonely, so sad connection. Ang nakikita ko dito kasi parang pwede namang isalbi. Pero bakit parang hinahayaan na lang? Parang hinahayaan na lang matupok. Hinahayaan na lang mawasak. Nobody's stepping up. Death. This is endings. So siguro, sana yung ending na to is sa paganda. No? Yeah, every time na may ending, may nangyayaring bago. There's a new beginning coming in. So siguro, if you have to separate ways with somebody, then kung sa tingin ninyo, dapat yun, well, okay? So, anyway. So siguro, matagal na rin naman to. Sinaga na rin. Pero wala eh. So, yaan na lang. Parang ganon. I don't know. Sana walang ganon, no? Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.